Hello and welcome back to Sofia DIY Studio.
Oh no!
I'm Sophia, and I'm delighted that you're joining me today for another creative DIY journey. Whether you are a regular viewer or watching for the very first time, thank you for being here. This channel is all about creativity, imagination, and transforming simple materials into beautiful miniature creations. Every project on this channel begins with a simple idea, and step by step, that idea becomes something unique and inspiring. As we begin today's project, take a moment to notice the materials being used. Many people think that creating miniature buildings requires expensive supplies or professional equipment, but that is not always true. Some of the most beautiful projects can be made using simple and affordable materials. What matters most is patience, creativity, and attention to detail. Now we are preparing the individual pieces that will form the structure. This stage may look simple, but it is one of the most important parts of the entire process. A strong and accurate foundation helps everything fit together properly later on. Taking time during preparation often leads to a cleaner and more realistic result. As the project starts coming together, you can begin to see the shape and design taking form. This is always one of my favorite moments because it feels like watching an idea come to life. Piece by piece, the structure becomes more complete, and every new addition brings us closer to the final result. One of the most enjoyable aspects of miniature building is the ability to create something entirely from imagination. A simple sheet of paper, cardboard, foam, or other basic materials can become a beautiful house, a modern building, a village structure, or even an entire miniature world. Creativity has no limits, and every project is an opportunity to try something new. Now, we are continuing with the assembly process. Notice how each section connects with the others to create a balanced structure. Small details are extremely important in miniature crafting. Even the tiniest elements can have a big impact on the final appearance. This is why patience and careful work are always worth the effort. As more details are added, the project becomes increasingly realistic. Decorative features help give personality and character